Now fine.
Hi Akash, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Akash Madhav. I was born and brought up into the city Sauda. I have completed my schooling from Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul Sanstha Sauda. I have completed my graduations in Bachelor's of Engineering from North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon.
Mhm.
After that, I have joined a certification course in Pune. The course name is Advanced Diploma in Software Testing, where I learn manual as well as the automation testing.
Mhm.
While pursuing the course, I have learned going through one of the project. The project name is Orange HRM.
Mhm.
In Orange HRM, the Orange HRM is basically human resource belongs to the human resource domain.
Mhm.
My hobbies is to reading a books and watching movies. My short-term goal is to get a job and kickstart my career. And my long-term goal is to become a test manager or a team lead. That's all about me.
Okay, great. So can you tell me the high level test scenarios? How will you test Orange HRM application? You know, it's
First of all,
mentioned. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, yeah,
In
please.
Orange HR,
Uh,
hello,
Yes,
hello.
yes, please go ahead. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. In Orange HRM application, first of all, we need to check the login functionalities to be there.
Hmm.
So first of all, we will check the login functionality. Is the able to user is able to log in with the functionality? Then we will after login the functionality, we will go into the website and open the web page, and we will check the overall whatever the main module is to be there. We will test the whatever the important factor are to be there. There's modules as per the module as per it is described into the SRS document.
Mhm.
And we will check the login functionality with the as the user will able to log out from the application or not.
Mhm.
And we will check the is the user admin the admin can access the data of admin module, PM module, and all the modules of the data can be accessed by the admin. So Orange HRM in Orange HRM application we have multiple module, admin module, PM module, live module. So these module we can test it in the and we can check their functionality also in depth.
Mhm.
That's it.
Okay. So when you get this question in an interview,
Hmm.
right? So apart from login, logout functionality, I think there will also be functionality that is related to the leave application. Let's say you will be verifying whether you are able to apply for some particular leave, sick leave, casual
Okay.
leave, or
Okay.
maternity leave, right? So those kind of leave applications are working or not. And let's say you applied for leave, and then the manager or the reporting manager will be getting an email, will be receiving an email for approval
Hmm.
or for denial as well. If he or she rejects the leave, then you should also get an email like, okay, your particular leave has been rejected for so and so reason,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Then accordingly the leave count also should get updated, right? Then let's say if someone is looking for updating their attendance regularization request, then those also cases should work. Let's say instead of 9 a.m. I logged in at 9:15 a.m. So that kind of updating request should also work, right? Then what about the negative test cases? You can also cover, like if you're trying to log in with invalid credentials, then those should not
Invalid
work.
data.
And if you are trying to apply for a leave, even if you don't have balance, then that also should not work, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So these are the test scenarios that you need to cover. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you write a program on reversing a particular string in Java? You have joined from laptop, right?
Yes. Yes. I
Yeah.
have joined
Can
on
you
that.
write a program on how will you reverse a particular string in Java? You can take your
Okay. Okay.
name itself as a string, Akash, and we have to reverse
Okay.
this particular string.
Can I share a screen, sir?
Yes, yes, you can share. I have given you sharing rights. Yeah, please
Okay.
share your screen.
Uh, okay. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Okay.
Yeah, can you maximize
So
this notepad window? Yeah,
maximum.
yeah, maximize and increase the font size so we can see.
How can I increase the size, sir?
So you can go to the format options Format. Yeah, font. Format. Yeah, the second option, font, you will get over.
format.
Yeah, font.
Okay, it will loading.
Yeah, now
Okay,
increase the size from 16 to 26, 28. You can keep
20. Okay,
20.
let's take 20.
Yeah,
20.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, now you can write a program.
Okay. Uh, okay.
Yeah, so first you can write the program and then you can explain.
Okay. 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 It's fine.
Mhm. Okay, so now can you explain what have you done?
Actually, first of all, we have taken one that is name is str1, name Akash, and we are just taking another string in which we are taking it blank. We will put the values in it later. So after that, we are using the string builder. In string builder, first of all str2 that is the second string we are using. We are append with the str1, which is a name Akash.
Hmm.
And this string Akash, the str1, we have reversed,
Okay,
and we have stored it into the str2 after reversing it, and we will print that str2.
okay. Can you explain me this line, string builder str2 equal to new string builder? What is happening at this line?
String builder basically it will use to do a special type of it is used for as it is immutable. We are using it. It is just using for the special type of function.
Mhm. Okay,
For reversing string, we are use the reverse string.
okay. Is there any other way to reverse the string in Java apart from?
Yeah, we can do by using the for loop.
Yeah. Can you write that code?
Okay, sure. Uh, uh, I will put from here.
Yeah.
Is it problem? Any?
Uh, no.
I'm not.
Yeah, you'll have to scroll down your notepad so we can
Yeah.
see. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just copying this again.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, can you explain me this program?
Actually, sir, we have taken a two string,
Hmm.
one string one and string two, in which second string is a blank, in which we will put a data.
Hmm.
We have find out the length of str1. What is the whatever the character in indexing by using the string dot length.
Hmm.
After that, we are using the for loop,
Hmm.
in which we are taken from length minus. Sorry, here is a spelling mistake, sir.
Yeah, no issues. So length minus one you
Okay,
have.
length minus one, and we are taking from 0. I is greater than 0, and we are decrementing that I. Okay, so character at I. So character at I is what we are incrementing this. So character at I, which is h, length minus one. So we always know that indexing is start from the 0.
Hmm.
Okay, in a string.
Okay, I have
In the
one small question. So in this for
okay.
loop, you have used str2 equal to str2 plus string2 dot character at I, right?
Hmm.
Do you think in string, in string, in this kind of string variable, the character will be saved? Don't you think you'll have to declare
Uh,
a character variable, right?
Maybe, I'm not
Yeah.
sure.
So I'm giving you a hint. So you will have to declare a character variable, and then using that character variable, you can assign the value from you will be extracting each character and then you will be assigning it. right?
Okay.
So you can
Okay.
make like character equal to string dot character at I. So it will extract each of your character.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
right? So that's how you can do. Right? See, I'll show you the for loop that you can use over here.
Okay. Can
Right?
I stop sharing?
Yeah. I'll do that. I'll stop your sharing and I'll share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah. So is it visible now? So this,
Yes.
yeah. So this for loop you took, that was right. Now you can
Hmm.
create a character variable, right?
Hmm.
And this particular thing will add each character in front of the existing string. Then you can print out this kind of statement.
Okay. Okay. So I need to consider it into the for storing it.
Yeah, storing it. Yeah, rest all
Okay.
was good. In the previous
Okay.
program also it was good. Now also it's
Okay.
okay. Now, what are the challenges in Selenium? Which are the things that are challenges, or I would say, which are the limitations of Selenium?
Mm. First of all, Selenium have challenges that we cannot capture the OTP,
Hmm,
and just like another scenario is to be the captcha.
hmm,
Captcha we cannot test into the Selenium.
hmm,
Selenium we cannot use for the that cases that are executing rarely.
hmm.
Mm. And Selenium as the Selenium we can use challenges that it is costly and the skill is required for that high skill.
Sorry. Can you please come again with that statement?
Mm.
It,
If compared to the manual,
hmm.
I'm telling you, if we are comparing with the manual, then the Selenium is a costly and hard. It is better hard to learn, complex.
Okay. So Selenium is not costly because it is an open source license-based software. It is free of cost, right? You just need to download few libraries and automatically you can use Selenium. Yes,
Okay.
the learning curve is there because people might have to, learn Java, core Java, Python, .NET, C Sharp, then they can further automate. So if this question comes to you in an interview, tell, there is a learning curve that one needs to learn, one needs to have a knowledge of any one of the programming
Mm.
language, the basic knowledge they,
Knowledge is required. Knowledge is required.
right? Then captcha, OTP is there, image kind of things cannot be automated using Selenium,
Okay.
right? Then Selenium won't be able to automate Windows based applications, right? So those
Okay.
also you can tell. Now, what is the difference between find element and find elements?
Okay. Find element we use to locate a single element, which is the first element from the web page, and it will locate a single element.
Hmm. Okay, so
It is
what,
acts as a locating measure.
right? So what is the return type of find element and what is the return type of find elements?
Return type.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't know.
So this is an open question for the people who are watching this video. What is the
Mhm.
return type of find element and what is the return type of find elements? Okay. Now, what is XPath?
XPath is nothing but a XML path. XPath where it is using in a query language, query XML path, and it is used to locate a path into the locate a web element from the web page,
Mhm.
and it is most widely used to locate a web element.
Okay.
And XPath, there are two types of XPath: relative XPath and absolute XPath.
Mhm. What is the difference between abstraction and interface?
Interface. Okay. Abstraction is nothing but it is a process of taking essential and ignoring rest. And what second, sir? Second,
Interface.
interface. Interface is just like a Java. We have collection. We have a method in a collection of method in a Java. just like in a interface, it is having the collection of abstract method.
Mm,
Interface we are using to for achieving the multiple inheritance.
mm. Okay.
Okay.
Can you give me one real-time example of abstraction and one real-time example of interface?
Abstraction we can abstraction example I can give that we are hiding some detail, just like in a bank account we can hide a mobile account number and other detail from the if you are putting some information publicly, then we can hide that data, we can declare as a private. And another example of inheritance, we are inheriting just like we have uh, a vehicle, real time example like a vehicle, and vehicle having the two wheeler, three wheeler, four wheeler.
Mm,
So vehicle is a main parent class, and the subclass may be two wheeler, four wheeler. The
mm.
common property we will inherit from that.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between abstract class and interface?
Abstract class and interface. Abstract class contain both abstract and non-abstract method. Interface only contain abstract method.
Mm,
Abstract keyword is used to declare the abstract class,
mm,
and interface keyword is used to declare the interface. And abstract class having abstract method.
mhm,
Okay, and abstract keyword we can inheriting abstract by using abstract class.
mhm,
And in interface we can achieve a multiple inheritance we can achieve through the interfaces.
mhm.
And extend keyword is used in a abstract class, and in interface we are using the implements.
Okay. Great. Okay. Then you can give one example also, right, for abstract class and one
uh,
for interface.
in abstract it is about it is public public protected, but in case of interface it is by default public.
Mhm,
uh, okay, and interface we need to implement that method. And abstract method we cannot need in the interface we need to declare the abstract method, but in case of the interface we need to declare by default it's abstract.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between method overloading and method overwriting?
Okay, so method overloading, in method loading overloading we are overloading the method in the class, within a class. In
Mm,
method overriding is doing between the two classes. Okay, and method overloading is used for reusability of code,
mm.
and simplicity, reusability. And method overriding is used for uh, to get a data from the parent class.
Okay. And what about the parameters?
Hmm?
What about the
Par
parameter? Yeah, that you give with the functions.
functions.
Mhm.
Sorry.
So in case of method overloading, the parameter must be different. In case of
Yeah,
method
yeah.
overriding, the parameters will be the
Parameter in case of the method overloading, the parameter must be different. But in case of the method overriding, the parameter and all the class name and all these are to be everything will be same.
same, right? Now,
Yeah.
method overloading is performed within the class, while method overriding occurs in two classes that have easier relationship kind of, right?
Okay.
So that also you can tell.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is fine. Okay, Akash, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Actually, sir, I think you will ask me a question on manual, but
Okay, manual testing. Yeah, so we
yeah,
covered questions on manual testing that was related to Orange HRM, right? So
yeah.
those are there. And
Okay.
I think in your CV, you have, highlighted Selenium and Java things. So that's why more questions we asked on those two things.
Okay.
And
Okay.
in real-time
Okay.
interview also, such things are going to happen. See, if you are going for an interview of manual, or
Hmm.
automation, you will be definitely asked questions on Selenium or Java because that is mentioned in your CV. And they will weigh you
Okay.
more based on those questions or based on the answers that you are giving for those skills. Right.
Okay.
So
Okay,
I
sir.
think manual is fine. Even automation and Java is also good. Right. So
Okay.
we
Sir, can you give me a feedback?
yeah, yeah. So I think all the skills are fine. except in one of the Java program you just got confused, but that was also a minor confusion and that got
Yes,
clear,
sir.
right? So
Actually, I am giving first time interview. Just I finished my class and
okay,
I'm giving a first time interview.
right. So I
Okay,
think
I'm not given any real time interview right now. I'm giving a mock interview with you. It's my first experience.
okay, great. So rest all looks
Uh,
good. Yeah, you have to be more confident. Don't get nervous. And
yeah.
whenever you are giving a virtual interview, keep a
Mhm.
blurred kind of image in the background, right? And
Okay.
yeah, that's it. I don't think anything else.
Uh,
else-
uh, Sir, what I just want, if you want to give me a feedback rating between the 10, so I can improve it. So what will be mine in between?
So I'll give you out of 10, 10 being the highest, one being the lowest. I'll give you 7. I'll give you out of 10. No issues with that. See, 10 on
Okay,
10
so
is
I
not
need
given
to
to
improve it.
everyone. Yeah,
No,
you
no,
just have
I'm
to
not.
improve. Yeah, you just have to improve a bit on the Java program thing, right?
Actually, sir, whatever the question you ask, I know most of the things, but I am getting nervous in
Nervous.
some
Yeah,
question, confused.
correct,
I
correct.
prepare for all the questions, but I'm not able to explain me. That's the problem with me. I
No,
need to improve my confidence.
yeah, you need to improve your confidence. Don't get nervous at all. And when any question like test scenarios is coming, let's say I asked you a question on Orange HRM test scenarios, right?
Okay,
To try to give maximum test scenarios like login. Don't just restrict your answer up to login, log out only. Okay. Think from 360-degree and try
okay.
to
I need to go into the further. I need to go explore into the further also.
further test scenarios are to be added from functional testing, non-functional testing, from loads testing, stress testing, positive testing, negative testing, what all test scenarios you will do. So those all things you can add. And this actually was a example. Orange HRM was project of itself that you mentioned that you have done, right? So you should tell
Okay,
more answers in these kind of questions for these kind of questions.
okay, okay. Okay, thank
Okay, Akash. Thank you so much and all the best for your career. Once you get a
Okay,
job,
thank you,
please
sir.
let us know.
Thank you, and thank you for taking my interview, sir.
Yeah, that's our pleasure. And once you get
Okay.
a job, please let us know.
Hmm.
So we would be able to share your success story with the other people as well, right? And do
Yeah,
share
sure, sir.
interview questions with us, right?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you and all the best.
Okay, thank you.